Have you heard that 3 simple ingredients can boost your energy and strength in just 7 days? What if this natural drink could change how you feel every morning? If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to like it. Today I'll show you the honey, ginger and lemon challenge and what it really does for men's health. This combination has been used for generations to improve digestion, immunity and daily energy. But does it really work for men? Let's look at the science. Honey gives your body fast, natural energy. It supports blood circulation and reduces fatigue. Ginger improves digestion, reduces inflammation, and helps blood flow. Lemon is rich in vitamin C. It supports immunity and helps detox your body. When you mix them together, they create a powerful morning drink. Here is how to prepare it. Take 1 glass of warm water. Add 1 spoon of natural honey. Add ½ teaspoon of fresh ginger juice or powder. Squeeze half a lemon. Mix well and drink it every morning on an empty stomach. Do this for 7 days. Many men report more energy, better mood, improved digestion, and stronger motivation. For men over 50, this is important. Low energy and slow metabolism become common with age. This drink can help support your body naturally. But be careful. This is not a magic cure. If you eat junk food, sleep badly, and never exercise, this drink will not save you. Also, people with stomach problems, diabetes, or allergies should talk to a doctor first. So what is the real conclusion? Honey, ginger, and lemon is a simple, affordable, and natural support drink. It won't replace discipline, but it can help you feel better every day. Combine it with good sleep, daily movement, healthy food, and low stress. Your habits decide your power.